Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of iPhone production, tracing its journey from initial design to the final assembly. This process is a marvel of engineering, logistics, and precision. It all begins with design. Apple's design teams, often based in California, conceptualize the next iPhone. This includes everything from the overall shape and size to the placement of every button, camera, and port. They work with prototypes, 3D models, and extensive testing to ensure both aesthetics and functionality. Next comes the engineering phase. Engineers translate the design concepts into detailed technical specifications. They decide on components, circuit layouts, and the complex internal structure. This phase is crucial for ensuring that the design is manufacturable and that the phone meets performance requirements. Software engineers also play a role, working on the operating system and the software that will run on the phone. Then, there is component sourcing. Apple works with a vast network of suppliers around the globe, manufacturing the parts for the iPhone. This includes processors from companies like TSMC, displays from Samsung or LG, and camera modules from Sony. Securing these components is a massive logistical undertaking. Manufacturing takes place primarily in factories in China, managed by companies like Foxconn. These factories are incredibly complex, housing thousands of workers and cutting-edge machinery. The manufacturing process involves several stages. First, the components are assembled onto the main logic board, the phone's central nervous system. Then, various components are carefully integrated into the phone's housing. This includes the battery, the display, and the cameras. The iPhone undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets quality standards, including functionality, durability, and performance. Software installation is another critical step. The operating system, iOS, and other software are installed on the device. Testing is then carried out to verify that all hardware and software components work together seamlessly. Packaging involves placing the iPhone into its retail box, along with accessories like the charging cable, headphones, and user manuals. The box is then sealed and prepared for distribution. Finally, the phones are shipped worldwide to various retailers and distributors. This is a massive logistical effort, with thousands of iPhones being transported across the globe. Each iPhone has a unique serial number, allowing Apple to track its journey from the factory to the customer. From design to assembly, the iPhone production journey is a complex process. It involves a massive global supply chain, cutting-edge technology, and meticulous attention to detail.